Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate truffles with Oreo. First, crush Oreos to fine crumbs and combine with softened cream cheese until smooth. Scoop uniform portions and roll into bite-sized balls, then chill until firm. Melt chocolate gently and dip chilled truffles for a smooth shell. Finish with sprinkles or crushed cookies, then chill again briefly so the coating sets before serving warm with coffee or tea. Begin by pulsing Oreos to a fine crumb and measure the amount to maintain consistency. Add cream cheese gradually and mix until the blend forms a pliable, non-sticky dough that holds shape. Portion with a scoop to make even truffles, then roll each into a smooth ball using slightly chilled hands. Place formed truffles on a lined tray and refrigerate until firm, which makes dipping easier and cleaner. Gently melt your chocolate to a glossy texture, taking care not to overheat it. Dip each chilled truffle using a fork and tap lightly to remove excess chocolate, then lift and set on parchment. Add decorations like crushed Oreos, sprinkles, or a drizzle of white chocolate while the coating is still wet. Return finished truffles to the fridge briefly so the shell fully sets and becomes pleasantly crisp when you bite in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.